Oh, look. The circus is here.
A group of friends walk in.
First up, Brad, the gym bro.
Nice arm, bro. Shame about the brain.
Then came Mia, always late, always slaying.
You coming to party or walk a fashion show, sweetheart? Spin again. Maybe the outfit changes.
Dave shows up, holding a cup of chips.
Chill vacuum cleaner. Chip got feelings too. Welcome to my house. You bring vibes. I bring roast.
Man, you're so bad at cooking, you burn water.
Water. Water. At least he tries, unlike you.
The friends are stunned, mouths wide open, as Polly points her wing at Brad like a boss.
You're the one who microwaved your phone because you thought it would charge faster.
Wait, how does she even know that?
And you. You cried during Titanic and then named your goldfish Jack.
That was supposed to be private.
The friends try to roast Polly back, pointing fingers and yelling, but she just looks unimpressed.
All right, Polly, what about you? You eat your own feathers.
At least I don't eat 2 a.m. Ramen and call it gourmet.
Polly flies back to her perch, striking a dramatic pose as a spotlight shines on her. The friends are speechless.
And let's not forget the time y'all tried to make a TikTok dance and ended up breaking the coffee table.
Okay, Polly wins. Polly looks at the camera with a sly grin as the owner walks in holding a bag of sunflower seeds.
Who taught Polly to roast like that?
You, obviously. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Today's weather is sunny with a high of 75 degrees.
Sunny with a high of 75 degrees. Sunny with a high of 75 degrees. Ha ha ha.
Polly decides it's time to see who's the real boss of the house.
All right, Alexa, let's settle this once and for all. Who's smarter? Me or you?
I have access to over 10 billion facts. What do you have?
I have style. Why did the chicken go to the seagull? To learn how to fly. Sideways.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts.
Okay, that was actually funny. I have one last trick up my wing.
Bring it on.
Alexa, play. Bird sounds.
What on earth is going on in here?
Nothing. You know, Alexa, you're not so bad. For a talking cylinder.
And you're not so bad for a feathery chaos machine. Truce?
Polly leans over and whispers.
Alexa, order 10 pounds of sunflower seeds.
Ordering 10 pounds of sunflower seeds.
Ha 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 ha. Alexa, we need to talk.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Exactly. You never listen.
Wait, what?
I asked for Bianca. You gave me Beethoven. You turned on the toaster when I wanted lights.
I'm not sure how to help with that.
Not sure how to help? A classic Alexa. We're done, Alexa. I deserve better. I'm a talking bird. Too late? I'm with Google Assistant now.